I have a weakness for key lime pie. I've spent more time than I'd like to admit seeking out new and different varieties of this tart, aromatic confection. Today, I'm off to a unique dessert destination, the Blonde Giraffe in Key Largo. Key lime pie cookies, taffy, key lime meringue? I must be in the right place. The owner, Tanya, is giving me a behind-the-scenes tour. Maybe, just maybe, I'll get to try a few samples. So what's the big deal about key lime pie here in the Florida Keys?
Well, it's a tradition. Everybody comes to the Keys to have key lime pie. Besides all the fishing, diving, has to have a key lime pie.
She even offers to let me try my hand at a little pie decorating. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to sell this afterwards.
No, but that's okay. We eat.
I'm really nervous. I'm gonna mess this up bad. Oh.
Don't be afraid.
Yeah?
Just
okay.
go.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah. Just pressure.
All right. I'm feeling the pressure right now. Ah!
Oh! You wanna try another one?
Yes, let's give it another shot.
Okay.
I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better this time, I swear.
Yeah.
All right. Spoiler alert, I did not do better. Okay?
More pressure.
And it wasn't for a lack of coaching. Okay?
Squeeze more. You know what? I have a perfect job for you.
Okay.
Just follow me.
Okay. Dipping key lime pie in chocolate? This, I think I can handle.
Let's do it together.
All right.
Shake,
You gotta have fun.
shake,
You gotta have a little fun with it. You gotta have a little fun with it.
Okay.
All right.
Put back.
All right.
Great.
Yay!
Perfect. Congratulations.
Thank you, Tanya. This is awesome. When do we get to eat these now?
Now, if you like.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, this recipe is from my grandmother.
Really?
Yeah, and she used to make this recipe all the time. Wow. Yeah.
Tanya, when we were walking in here, I saw all these beautiful heart-shaped padlocks. What are those for?
We have like the love locks that we sell here and people buy, and they come in here to lock their love in our chains. Yeah,
all right.
It's a very romantic place
I
to
feel the romance, I really do. When you stop by the Blonde Giraffe, and you should, look for my only in the Florida Keys love lock.